Iran's elite Revolutionary Guards have shot down a U.S. spy drone in the southern province of Hormozgan. State news agency IRNA carried the same report, identifying the drone as an RQ-4 Global Hawk. It was shot down when it entered Iran's airspace near the Mubarak district in the south. The U.S. says that the drone was a MQ-4C Triton, the Navy variant of the Global Hawk type that is specialized on broad-area maritime surveillance. It claims that the drone was in international airspace when Iran's Revolutionary Guard shot it down. This loss can certainly be attributed to Iran. But to blame Iran for it, the U.S. will have to prove that its drone did not enter Iranian airspace. The Indian Air Force began user trials of extended-range, Russian-made air-to-air missiles on Wednesday. On the first day, the Indian Air Force test-fired the air-to-air missile from a Sukhoi 30 Mki combat aircraft. It destroyed a UK-made Banshee drone off the coast of Odisha. It is believed that the missiles that it has been testing at the eastern base are RVVMD short-range missiles, RVVSD medium-range missiles, and RVVBD beyond visual range missiles, the next generation of unveils air-to-air missiles. The RVVBD missile weighs 500 kg and features a 60 kg warhead. During the endgame, it is capable of 8 grams maneuvering, flying at Mach 6. The RVVMD is a backport version of the R-74, which has increased anti-jamming protection, including optical jamming. Israeli aerospace company Rafael has unveiled a portable Iron Dome missile defense battery, promising deployed troops the same protection the original system provided for civilian populations. The iDome, designed to protect troops from rockets, mortars and AV attacks, was among several new Israeli-made weapon systems featured this week at the Paris Air Show. The scaled-down missile battery fits on the back of a large flatbed truck, making the system easily transportable. Its cartridge holds 10 Tamira interceptor missiles, instead of the 20 used by its larger Iron Dome counterpart. Rafael CEO Pina Youngman told Channel 13 from the Paris Expo. This array can offer the same protection as the Iron Dome battery. The iDome is an all-in-one system.